And what does recovery after a heart transplant look like? What should the patients expect if they are selected for heart transplant?
Expect anything really, but every case is somewhat going to be a little bit different. Now, in my previous work where I was in the transplant center actively doing transplants, depending on how the patient comes in, if the patient walks into the case for the transplant, they generally have a better outcome versus if they were in the hospital for 3 weeks on VA ECMO and you do a heart transplant, they're going to have a longer recovery. It all depends on that. What is the baseline functional and bodily condition of the patient? But in general, say for example's sake, if we have a patient that we call, hey, we have an organ, come on in, the patient comes in, everything goes well, 1 to 2 weeks in the ICU, and then 1 week outside the ICU on the floor, and then discharge to a rehab. So 3 to 4 weeks, depending on how things go. Keep an open mind because the organs behave differently sometimes. There could be any type of issue that can happen after heart transplant. You may need short-term dialysis, and I think you, Ahmed, recognize that you're almost consulted on some of these patients if you're a transplant nephrologist, a heart transplant needing CRT now, and then you end up needing CRT for sometimes a few months before your renal recovery, which is an interesting thing, but they end up going home on dialysis in about 3 months. The kidneys certainly start to wake up and then you're on. So it all depends on how things go. If everything goes smoothly, I would say about 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, you're home with then follow ups in the background. And definitely want to do prehab, meaning you want to be strong going into surgery and you'll come out strong. You want to be strong mentally as well, because that's really people who want to get better, people who are anxious, depressed, it's harder. But depression is part of the whole process of advanced heart failure. We tell our patients that that is going to happen. So we treat it because it's such a key thing to address to achieve success in the long term.